Okay, carry on again with question 11. Here the tickets for a musical concert were sold to children and adults at different prices as shown in the table below. Adult $49.80, child $28.60. For every child at the musical, there will be 3 adults. Total amount collected for the musical was $6,230. How many adults were present at the musical? You work by grouping. One group is 3 adults and 1 child. So total cost 3 times 49.80 plus 1 child 28.60. So one group of 3 adults and 1 child will cost $178. So total spending was $6,230. So I take this divide by this to work out total number of groups. I have 35. So that means I have 35 groups. So number of adults will be 35 times 3, 105 adults in the concert. Question 12. This question a bit complicated. Okay, there were 40 pupils in primary 5A and 32 pupils in primary 5B. All the pupils in both classes sat for a test and the average score was 80 marks. Average score 80. Total number is 72. The average score of 5A was higher than average score of 5B by 9 marks. What was the average score of the 5A? So I draw a simple model this manner. So first I work out the total score by 72 pupils. Average score is 80, so I will have 72, which is because my T is N times A, right? Number is 72 times average 80 at 57660. I consider the total score. If I draw a simple model, the total score will be 40 times some score. I don't know what is this score. Class 5B is 32 students times the score. But you are told that the average score of 5A is 9 marks higher. So 9 marks higher, I have additional of 360 marks, because one pupil score 9 marks more, 40 pupils will score 40 times 9 marks more. And this question mark is the same score by one pupil in 5A and 5B class. So assuming all the pupils score the same, then total score will be 5,760 subtract 360, 40 times 9, I get 5,004. So here total score is 5,400. Then the average score and the score by a student will be 5,004 divided by 72 students. I have 75 marks per student. Right, so average score of 5A, because 5A pupils score 9 marks more, so it will be 75 plus 9, I have 84 as my answer. Answer 84. Question 8, question 13. The cost of 5 similar shirts and 4 pairs of trousers was $517. J bought 8 shirts and 2 trousers. He paid $528 for all the items. How much did a shirt cost? So 5 shirts and 4 trousers, 517. 8 shirts, 2 trousers, 528. Okay, I times 2. I times 2 to this here. So 8 times 2, 16 shirts. 2 times 2, 4 shirts. 528 times 2, 90. So if he were to buy 16 shirts and 4 t-shirts, he will spend double, right? So it's 1056. Then you compare this with this. I put this equation down here. Notice that I can minus away. If I minus away, I have 11 shirts. 16 shirts minus 5 shirts. If I minus this and this away, I have 1056 subtract 517. 11 shirts will give me 359. 1 shirt divide 11. I get $49. So a shirt costs $49. Question 9. This is also a bit complicated. Mr. Goh saved 1/5 of his salary, so I use a model 1/5 save. He gave 2/5 of the remaining, so here remaining he gave 2/5, gave away 2/5 of the remaining. Then he spent 1/4 of what was left. This is what was left, so here he spent 1/4. Spend 1/4, I draw 4 unit 1/4, and what is left behind was 1,749.60. Remember, this question is similar to the bus and passenger question in our math strategy question, heuristic question, right? So we are working backward. Ask you for what is the total income here per month. So by working backward, I look at this first bar here. 3 unit is 1749.60. 1 unit, I divide 3. Then I can work out 4 units. So I times 4, I have this 2332.80. Push up. Then now I look back here. So this amount I know. This amount is 2,333.80. So again, I look at my second model. This is 3 units is this amount. I work out 1 unit. The 1 unit here will be 777.60 cents. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I times 5. I have $3,888. So this bar here is 3,888. Then I look back, I work backward. 3888 is 4 units. Look at my third bar, third model. So 4 units is 388. I find 1 unit, divide 4. Then I find 5 units. Times 5, I have 4860. That's my answer. So Mr. Goh's salary will be $4,860. Question 15. The figure below shows 14 identical rectangles within a square. Find the length of the rectangle. Notice that this is 72 cm. This is a square and this is 36. Notice the width. I have 1 bar, 2 bar, 2 unit. Here 1 unit, 2 unit. If you look at the width of the rectangle, you realize that this will be 2 unit. This will be 2 unit because 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, right? And so therefore, this is 1 unit, and the length of the rectangular bar will be 3 units. So therefore, 4 unit is 36. The one length is 3 times the breadth. So 1 breadth for 1 unit is 36 divided 4. I have 4 unit here. So 1 unit is 36 divided 4, 9. So 1 length will be 9 times 3, 27. I push up a bit now. Find the ratio of the area of the 14 rectangles to the area of the shaded part. So area of the 14 rectangle, one rectangle is 27 times 9, right? 27 cm. The width is 9 cm. I have 14 rectangle times 14, I have 3402. Area of the whole figure is 72 times 72. I have 5,184. So area of shaded part will be total area minus total area of rectangle. I have 1782. So therefore the ratio area of 14 rectangle is 3402 to area of shaded part. Shaded part will be 1782. Use your calculator, you will get this. You don't have to use your calculator, right? You press your calculator, you will get 21.